Today we're going to install a wireless charger. This is the one I got off AliExpress. It allows us to equip our car with wireless key charging. So it's an easy one. It's basically plug and play. Pull that out so it's free. Oh. Open the unit. I've actually taken out the plastic now. Remove the colour paper at the back, and it really just slides in. There you go. It's got USB there that you can turn on and off. Once it's on, let's see if the phone will charge. And there you go. There you go, it's charging. And that's wireless key charging install. Quick, fun and easy.